Welcome to Royal Chess Center, a quick demo of pawn endgame. In this position, this pawn white is going this way, black is going this way. Now white will have to capture this pawn to win the game, but it is not so easy. If white plays king c5 directly attacking the pawn, then black will play king e4 defending pawn and creating a ZugZuwan for white. White will have to move his king away from d4 pawn, say king b5, then black will capture the pawn. So it is not so easy to win this game. Correct move in this position is king c6, attacking the pawn and also keeping a safe square c5 for the king to defend d4 pawn. Now black will play king e4, attacking the pawn and defending the d5, king c5. Now this is ZugZuwan for black, because if king moves to any square, the d5 pawn falls. Say king f5, king captures pawn. Now white can win the game. This idea is called ZugZuwan.